Are we crazy? I don't think so. Let's get it. Ah, yeah. In New York, I merely rock. Had it in my side. Hey, la 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 la. Blah 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 blah. Y'all, what's up? So, as promised, here goes. Here goes that man, Playboi Cardi. Ha ha ha. So, I wasn't really going for a style when I drew him. Or was I? Was that? Let me think about it. Nah, I wasn't. So this was just top, straight out the dome. You know what I'm saying? So he didn't really have no face tattoos or nothing like that. So I did know he have. I believe it's a birthmark. It's like a black spot he got in his face. So I put that up in there. I put that thing up in there. I definitely did that. But these dreads right here, they are deadly. I I had messed up the dreads. I'm like, man, let me go ahead, throw a hat on that thing. I was like, let me go ahead. So I just put a hat on it. I feel like it looked better anyway with the hat. So I just kept it with the hat. And you see how I didn't draw the other eye? I do that a lot. Like I would draw something and then never finish that part of the drawing. But then I go to another part. Then when I get back to that part, then I can't draw the other part. I mean, if you're an artist, then you understand what I'm saying. If you're not, hey, catch the wave. But if y'all made it to this part of the video, cause a lot of people they love to dip, bro. A lot of people love to dip on my videos, man. Like what's up? Like if I were to meet one of y'all, we will fight, bro. We will fight. But please like this video, give it a like, and I put some glasses on him, cause I was looking at this picture. I was looking at a couple pictures of him, and I seen he wear glasses, not as much, but the ones I seen, I feel like this drawing definitely looked better if I added these little glasses. And you see one of his eyes open, the other one winking. And also, I got out my comfort zone a little bit. I drew kind of sort of a body, don't mind this vest. I totally. Nah, I'm gonna leave y'all I'm gonna let y'all be the judge. Y'all tell me, cause like I said, y'all know I be going hard on myself. So y'all tell me. And I want to know what y'all got planned for Christmas. What should I draw for Christmas? Should I draw Santa Claus? Cause I know around this time a lot of people love Santa Claus, even though he's not. Let's pass that, bro. Let's just fake like you weren't about to hear what I was just about to say. But yeah, so I drew like this kind of like a vest that a lot of people they used to wear. They stopped wearing the little vests, but a lot of people used to wear vests like these. Man, my jaw is hurting from this talking. That's why I love y'all so much. I can't stop. So yeah, I did record the coloring process because y'all know. Y'all just know. And with his jeans, when I drew his jeans, oh my god, they looked like some real like jeans. I was impressed myself when how I did it. I mean, if you're not impressed with that medley video, if y'all ain't seen that, go watch that. I was impressed with myself when I drew that, like, cause I didn't think I had that in me. I had to step back and look at it like myself. I'm like, oh, wow. All right, yeah, you this talented. Okay, let's get it. Yeah. And so his hand right here, Playboi Cardi, his hand is pointing towards him. Yeah, when I zoomed back, I was like, okay, I see the vibes. I believe I drew his other hand. Yeah, I did. Yeah. I was gonna put that hand behind the back because me and hands. I put the hand in the pocket. That just goes to show I'm not that committed to drawing hands. Man, I went on ahead and put that hand in that pocket. It's just something about hands. I mean, we don't got a good relationship, so nah, I can't. No. I mean, if you're an artist and you're not good at drawing hands, but yeah. So yeah, this dude kind of looked like he just left the grocery store and somebody stole something out of his cart and he mad about it. That's what this kind of looked like. But y'all, thanks for watching. Please like and share the video, comment. Tell me what's your favorite Playboi Cardi song. It's Mad Drawing, aka CJ the God. Peace.